Question of the day, mother truckers. Do y'all trip plan? Because I'm telling you right now, trip planning is extremely important, especially if you want to make it where you want to go safely and definitely on time. So cutting to the chase real quick. Hey guys, if you're going to Seattle, I-5, truck driver hit guardrail. We don't know the situation. Hopefully everything's okay. But they are shutting down so many lanes to fix this guardrail that it's going to be congested. Here in the K area, let me show you a map real quick. Mother truckers, a lot of you are about to be late today, so I want to give you this information as I'm getting it from Washington Department of Transportation. Basically, they just made a post just a little bit ago that says, heads up, if northbound I-5 is in your plans Wednesday morning, a semi-truck crashed into the guardrail northbound I-5 near SR 516 in the Kent area. About 25 sections of guardrail, including about 100 posts, were taken out. The right lane is closed while tow trucks work to remove the semi. Then we'll need to take the two right lanes to repair the guardrail. This is going to really jam up things this morning. Commute if you are heading to the airport or into Seattle. Plan lots of extra time or delay your trip. So, mother truckers, if you got to get into Seattle, I'm sorry, but you're going to be late to your shipping appointment. Mother truckers, plan accordingly, but I'm just letting you guys know this because I love you guys so much. Thank you for giving me the opportunity just to share information with y'all and help you on your daily drive. Mother trucker, in and out.